Welcome, welcome, welcome. Today I'm at Ross Dress for Less. Let's quickly dive in. Let's see what they have for us in the store today. Okay, I am looking at this. Okay, look at this top. This is in size medium. I love it. And I'm looking at these blue. This is trend, good trend. All right, two-piece set. Interesting. This is priced together. Let's see what they have here. It's a very good button down one. And this store price for this is $16.99. That's a good two-piece set. And here we have this polka dot crop top. If you are all about this trend, yeah, $10.99 at Ross. No, sorry, Burlington. Okay. Yeah, and look at another one. Very flowy blouse. I love this. It feels so good. Perfect for hot season. $11. If you like my type of video, please give me a thumbs up. Share. This one is $14.99. I appreciate your support. Your thumbs up, comments, motivates me to bring you to the store on a daily. Thank you so much for that. And if you want me to cover any section, let me know in the comment section. I will try my best to do that. This is $10.99. Very clean button-down shirt. And this one is by Workshop. The quality is excellent. And this is $14.99. Very light, short sleeve sweater. Look at this. I love the neutral shade. The quality speaks good. Interesting for $11.99. And let's see. Here we have this one for $24.99. The quality is top notch. And this was $79. This one is by CK. Today you get it for $24.99. Look what we got here by Tommy Hilfiger. It was $69.50. Today you get it for $24.90. Here we have this cropped floral one. This feels like 100% linen, but it's not. It's blended. I think this is linen blended. And this one is $12.99. Here we have this one by Michael Kors in size large for $19.99. Most of these tops are size large, okay? That's where we are, large section. Look at this, so $12.99. And they have most of these pieces in other sizes, same price, okay? Don't worry about that. And look what we got here. This is oversized button-down shirt. And yeah, store price is not here. Let me take you to handbag section. Let's see what they have there. Okay, this is so cute. Okay, let's start from here. Big black bag. Look at this. This is by Steve Madden for $39.99. And this was 108. Yeah, $39.99. Very good big bag. Yeah, big bag. Very good bag. Okay. And down here is another bag by Jessica Simpson. Let me take you up. This is backpack by Guess. And this one is $42.99. Okay. And let's see. This is well structured. Oh, look. This is well structured. Let me flip this. Let's see the brand. Look at this. Very interesting. Structured big bag for $21.99. Yeah, not bad. This one is $19.99 by the same brand actually. And here we have this tote bag by Guess. And this one is $39.99. Down here is this one by Nine West for 29.99. Interesting. Okay, more bags right here. This one is 22. This is 19.99. Okay, more bags. Look what we got here. This is new in the store. Look. All right, I like the leather. It feels so good. And this is 22.99 and it was $79. And the same bag, we've seen this one. They are new in the store for 29.99 by Nine West. More bags right here. Look at that. Yeah, interesting. Let me see what is this. I love the structure. Look what I'm looking at here. This is by Guess. Okay. This one is $44.99. $44.99. Look at what I'm looking at here. $44.99. Good. And more brown bags here. $29.99. If you like my type of video, give me a thumbs up. All right. If you are all about this trend, look what we got here. Interesting plaid for $19.99. Okay. This brand, they came through today, to be honest. They came through. Okay. And look. Okay, it's the same bag. Okay, let's keep going. If you like my type of video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see the type of shoes they have in the store, keep watching. This one is $24.99. It feels so good. And behind is this very classic backpack for $32.99. I wish this is bigger and in color black. I wouldn't mind out jumping. This looks so classy. I can, yeah. This will worth my coins. I love it for $32.99. Okay. And more bags. Look, this is my Steve Madden. Look, if you are all about this, $32.99. Okay, let's go to shoe section. Come with me. They also have colorful bags in case you're interested. Look, they have colorful bags, right? Behind me, more bags. Look, yeah. MK. No, this is by Anna Klein, right? Denim bag. Down here, they have denim. Yeah. Come to Burlington. Okay? Yeah. To shoe section, I'm right here. We are starting out with this. Look. This is interesting by Steve Madden for $34.99. And we have these mesh flats. Look at that. For $15.99 by Madden Go. Okay. And see what I'm looking at here. So cool. Madden Go for $17.99. I wish I can see 7.5. I love flats like these. They are good for my foot. Okay, look. This is $14.99. Okay. Yeah. These stars are perfect for me. Right? Yeah, they're perfect for my foot. Yeah, this is 8.5. And this one is $14.99. Interesting. More shoes here. This tweed slim bag. Look at this. This looks like what you'll get from Chanel. Look how quality. It's well made. I love this for $24.99. Interesting. Slim bag. good. If you like my type of video, please give me a thumbs up. By doing so, you motivate me to keep bringing you to the store. All right, share to friends and family. Thank you for your support. I appreciate it so much. And if you want me to go to any particular section, comments and let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much. There are more shoes. Let me take you behind. Look what we got here. Tongue rubber flats for $16.99. I've been seeing lots of rubber flats of late, and this is in dusty pink. Yeah, dusty pink. Yeah, if you are all about that trend, come on. Burlington got you covered. Look what we got here. $22.99. Denim is still on the rise. Look what we got here. Interesting malls. And this is in size 8.5. Oh my god. I wish this. Yeah, this looks really more like a gray. I would have loved to jump in if this is, the regular denim color. And this is cool actually. Yeah, this can pass as gray. My camera is not even picking it right. Okay, store price is not on this one. Okay, and here we have this $24.99. Interesting. Okay, I'm about to end this video. Thank you so much for your support. I appreciate it so much. And until next time I come your way, yeah, Aldo. Okay. Classic flats. Look at this, classic sneakers. $24.99. Yeah, look. Look at this MK loafers. Okay. And here we have this one by CK for $39.99. All right, until I come your way next time. Yeah, it's a final buy, okay? $34.99.